Here we have a 2011 Dodge Ram Laramie. As you can see, it's accented in chrome. The large chrome rims, running boards, quad cab. Comes equipped with a bed liner, dual exhaust, and a tow package. This model comes with a backup camera, leather interior. See the back seat, plenty of room. See, it's got the touch screen, My Gig system. Center console shifter. Wood accented dash. If you'd like to test drive this Dodge or any like it, stop down to Southern Maine Motors or visit us at our website at www.southernmainemotors.com.